You've been cooking all week, getting ready, because you want this Thanksgiving to be special for your little family. And by the time the dinner hits the table, nobody's hungry because for the last hour, they've been sucking down deviled eggs and hitting the charcuterie board. Don't make that mistake. Just give them a little something to tide them over until the main event. We are making roasted almonds with rosemary. The recipe couldn't be easier. All you need is about a pound of almonds, some olive oil, rosemary, salt, and just the tiniest bit of brown sugar. Now, the most labor-intensive part about this dish is cleaning the rosemary, which is very easy. Let me show you how to do that. You don't want any of the woody stem in the dish because you're going to keep the rosemary in there mixed in with the nuts. So right at the top, you're going to pull off a few of the fresh leaves. So now you've got the tip of the stem. And then you just run your hand down. Look at that. And look at that. Wasn't that easy? Okay. So you need a pound of almonds, half a cup of rosemary, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then we're going to drizzle with olive oil and roll up our sleeves and get right in there. There's no better utensil for mixing things than these. So you want to make sure all the almonds look glossy, and that way you know that they are coated with the oil. Those are very well mixed. And now we're just going to dump them on a lined baking sheet. And spread them out so they're basically in a single layer. And now we put these in a preheated 275 oven for 20 minutes, then give them a little stir and roast them for another 10. That is all there is to it. That's pretty easy. Just look how beautiful. And the whole house smells like rosemary. It is fantastic. These have been cooling a little bit. They look a little satiny. There's a sheen to them. I mean, this is so simple. And it won't fill everybody up. So we just lift the parchment. And pour them into the bowl. And I'm not letting any of this seasoning go to waste. It's all going on the nuts. So I would suggest just serving these with some cold drinks and maybe in addition a crudité with dip or some hummus and carrot sticks, and that's it, because you want everybody to have room for that glorious dinner that you've prepared. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, enjoy your rosemary almonds.